Welcome back, the channel that takes you on a thrilling journey into the world of heavy equipment machines. If you don't know what the perfect concrete mat paving machine looks like, take a closer look at your screen. Timber Pro is fast, powerful, stable and very efficient. It will be your trusty helper when it comes to transporting, installing, removing and laying concrete mats, and the company's new model is much faster than any other machine on the market. Another big plus is that the machine is equipped with a system of continuous rotation of the cab, which allows the operator to work productively without the need for unnecessary maneuvering. The SPW Power range complements the existing SPW Intense range of self-propelled mixers with vertical twin augers for very intensive use and is available at speeds up to 25 miles per hour. The overall design of the SPW Power offers the same advantages of the SPV models, combining compact size with maneuverability. A mixing tank with 2 vertical augers is available in capacities from 59 to 72 feet cube and is mounted between 2 axles. This new series provides a usable volume of 72 feet cubed with an overall height of less than 9.8 feet. The Vision Space cab can connect connectivity and 4 steering wheels are standard, giving you exceptional driving comfort. HydroTrike from Survey is your faithful ally in the efficient processing of liquid maneuver. Characterized not only by luxury but also by practicality, the self-propelled machine offers drivers a comfortable and spacious cabin with huge windows for better visibility. Operating the machine, everything is at your fingertips thanks to the conveniently located shift lever and terminal in the adjustable armrest, with 2 customizable Sauer Danfoss pumps and a powerful hydraulic drive. The HydroTrike provides precise fertilizer distribution, even on hilly terrain, thanks to its unique 5x5 drive system. You see the PowerScreen H6203 horizontal screens, a technique that is ideal for handling large volumes of sticky and non-sticky materials, as well as the accurate bulk sizing required in many construction contracts. The adjustable elliptical stroke combines linear and circular amplitude to provide aggressive screening action. PowerScreen horizontal screens are particularly effective at scalping after primary impact or jaw crushers and really excel at screening certain fines, ideal for applications such as natural and crushed aggregate coal, iron or recycled concrete, and asphalt. This is what the real king of trenches looks like. And it's the Wolf 8000 wheel treasure. Yes, the unique wheel stretcher not only impresses with its power and efficiency, but also revolutionizes the pipe laying process, specially designed for deep and precise excavations. The Wolf 8000 allows a team of workers to quickly and easily lay pipes to the required depth, providing unrivaled productivity on any construction site. This treasure is the ideal choice for projects where speed, precision and reliability are required. Pay attention to this complex but fascinating process. A giant anchor chain attached between 2 large, powerful bulldozers rips out everything in its path. In this case, trees and other unwanted vegetation from the roads. The huge machines move back and forth as they do so, while the anchor chains, weighing about 20,000 pounds, rake the ground, also destroying the soil, shrubs and trees with roots, which are then disposed of from the site by other machines. By the way, these anchor chains also serve as a kind of a shock absorber, easing the load on the bulldozer itself and preventing jerks with unexpected jolts. Meet the Vermeer RTX 12-50, a next-generation tractor that will make your installation operations easier and more efficient. This versatile dredger is equipped with various smart attachments, making it the ideal choice for all your cable and utility installation needs, no matter how difficult the terrain. The RTX 12-50 gives you mobility with its powerful tracks or tires. Leave the job site with the satisfaction of a job well done, possible with a cool machine designed for all your needs. That's all the amazing machines I have for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. See you next time.